I want a job in London in the United Kingdom. Are you looking for a job alone? Are you looking for a job with your partner? Because I'm looking for a job too, as well as a few friends of mine. Răzvan, Cristina, Carol, Maria, Mihai, Alex, Julia, Antonia, and others right now in 2022 in August. Let me tell you right now how I and my friends address the job hunt process and what makes us succeed every single time we do it. You see, in the community that I run, I and the WOW members apply to jobs anywhere between £50,000 per year to £200,000 per year, based on each and everyone's experience. If you would like to take the opportunity to start with zero experience and work your way to £100,000 per year income, follow the Get Hired playlist until the end, as we'll continue with about you and how you can do it in 3 easy steps. In the last part of this presentation, I'm going to share with you how you can make use of this content so you can apply and join a team and start gaining company experience. For this, you want to be focused. You want to be focused on what we share with you and be ready to take notes so you can apply and start today or as soon as possible.